Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer. As you can see, things are laid out a little differently. This is my first beer review with the layout like this, but it's also my first beer review in 2 or 3 weeks since my laptop took a shit. I was just like, fuck it, whatever. This is Evil Twin. Says says Evil Twin CT. So it was brewed in 12%. But this is their Bikini beer, 2022 Long Island Sound Edition. It is 2.7% alcohol by volume. It is the Session India Pale Ale. I used to love this beer. This beer, when I could find it, was one of my favorites. And I saw it, and I kind of had to get it, because I haven't had it in, I don't know, the last one I had was probably like 7-8 years ago. So, yeah. Is there a can-on date? 7/18/22. That makes this 3.5 months old, give or take. Almost 4 months old, maybe. I found these glasses at the Ray store, and I thought they were fucking weird looking. So, my layout's probably not going to stay like this, because this isn't a very sustainable situation. It took me a little while to set up and do it, so I'm probably going to move things around again. But yeah, I don't have a light close to me anymore. But yeah, it's slightly hazy. Looks like there's some sediment flowing around in there. But it's like it's a yellowish orange color. And yeah, you can definitely see through it down here, but it's darker up here. It's like a dark orange up here, and then it's like an orangey yellow down here. And that is, let's see, that's a little over a finger of a nice fluffy head. Already spilling shit all over the place. Oh yeah, a slightly off-white head. Let's see what it smells like. Citrus, very citrusy. Grapefruit, to be a little more specific. There is like a lemon lime kind of thing in there, but grapefruit specifically. And zest. Grapefruit zest, lemon zest, lime zest. That kind of... Can I do it again without spilling it? Yeah, a little bit of a malt character in there, but it's very citrusy, and that is in almost the entirety of it. So let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. This is way better than what I remember it being. I'm sure they tweaked the recipe over the years. I'm not sure what the 2022 Long Island Sound Edition means, but yeah, it's citrusy. It's got a little bit of a bitterness to it. A little bit of a malt thing coming through. But yeah, it's very similar to the nose. Bitterness is a little bit bigger, but you're getting that maybe citrus zest thing. I will say it's a little less. It's a little less grapefruit in the taste as well. You're kind of getting that lemon lime thing and the grapefruit kind of. It's kind of evenly, but it's weird because like you'll get like a little bit of lime, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of grapefruit at different points. It's good. It's a chugger. Well, it'd be a chugger if it was hot outside. I mean, it's hot for the time of year, I guess. It's like 70. It's been like 70 degrees every day. But yeah, I hope this review isn't too cringy. I haven't reviewed in a while. Like I said, it's weird. It's weird. Also, all the neighbors have been making noise all day, and my brain is just like fucking just anticipating noise. So I'm a little on edge right now. But nothing that a sub 3% session IPA can't remedy. So yeah. There's a little bit of a juiciness to it too, as well. It might be a little cold. It might be a little less bitter once it warms up based on what I'm tasting now. But yeah, I really like this. And like I said, I actually think I like this better than that OG one. But yeah. So I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves and taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.